Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about those military aircraft which are called the workhorse of the Indian Air Force. So let's start. The C-295 AN-32 and AVRO HS-748 are all military tactical transport aircraft used by the Indian Air Force, each serving specific roles and possessing unique characteristics. Here's a comparison of the three. AVRO HS-748. Age: oldest of the three, introduced in the early 1960s. Manufacture: it is of British origin, manufactured by Hawker Siddeley. Capabilities: known for its short takeoff and landing, STOL, capabilities, making it suitable for operations from shorter runways and unprepared airstrips. Limitations: aging technology, high maintenance costs, and limited payload capacity, about 40 troops, and shorter range compared to the C-295 and AN-32. Modernization: many HS-748 aircraft have been phased out, though some remain in service. AN-32. Age: introduced in the 1970s. Manufacturer: it is of Ukrainian origin, manufactured by Antonov. Capabilities: capable of carrying cargo up to 30 tons and about 50 troops over long distances. Designed for operations in extreme conditions, including high altitudes and hot climates. Known for its ability to operate from short runways, including unpaved ones. Widely used for supply missions in remote and mountainous regions. Limitations: aging technology, high maintenance costs, and limited payload capacity compared to the C-295. Modernization: the IAF has been upgrading the AN-32 fleet to enhance its operational capabilities. Airbus C-295. Age: modern aircraft, introduced in the 2000s. Manufacturer: it is of Spanish origin, manufactured by Airbus. Capabilities: advanced features like fly-by-wire controls, glass cockpit, and modern avionics. Offers a larger payload capacity, about 71 troops. Longer range, and better fuel efficiency than the AVRO HS-748 and AN-32. Suited for various missions including humanitarian aid, disaster relief, and logistics. Modernization: represents a significant upgrade in terms of technology and capabilities compared to older aircraft. Thank you all for listening friends. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.